In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an incoming webhook URL in Slack, allowing you to send messages from external systems directly into a Slack channel. Let's get started with this straightforward process that will enable your applications to communicate effortlessly with your team on Slack. Begin by navigating to the Slack API site. If you already have a Workspace app, you can use that. Otherwise, it's time to create a new Slack app. This will serve as the foundation for integrating other services with Slack. Choose an appropriate name for your app that reflects its purpose, and make sure to select the correct workspace where you want this integration to occur. Once your app is set up, head to the app's Settings menu. Here you'll find a section titled Features. Within this area, look for incoming webhooks. It's important to know that this is a crucial step because incoming webhooks are the method through which external systems will send messages into Slack. On the Incoming Webhooks page, there's a toggle switch labeled Activate Incoming Webhooks. You need to turn this feature on to enable webhook functionality. Now that incoming webhooks are activated, you'll see an option that says Add New Webhook to Workspace, or something similar. Click on it to proceed. At this stage, Slack will prompt you to select a channel where messages sent via this webhook will appear. Choose a channel that makes sense for the kind of information you plan to send. This could be a dedicated channel for specific types of alerts or updates, ensuring that the relevant team members are notified. After selecting a channel, you'll need to authorize this action. Upon successful authorization, Slack will provide you with a unique webhook URL. This is a key piece of information because it serves as the endpoint where you'll send your data. It will look something like this: https hooks.slack.com services t00 b00 xxxxx. It's imperative that you copy this URL and keep it safe, as it's essentially the door through which your external messages will enter Slack. With your webhook URL in hand, you're now ready to send data. You do this by sending HTTP post requests to the URL you just obtained. The data is sent in the form of a JSON payload. For example, if you want to send the message "Hello World" to your chosen Slack channel, your JSON payload would look like this. Text: Hello World, SAS. Once sent, this message will appear in the channel you selected earlier, seamlessly integrating your external system with Slack. And that's it. With your incoming webhook URL set up, you can now effortlessly send messages from any of your external systems straight into your chosen Slack channel, keeping your team informed and connected. Thank you for watching, and happy Slacking.